Title: An Educational and Spiritual Journey to Varanasi. Introduction. Varanasi, also known as Banaras or Kashi, is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It is situated on the banks of the holy river Ganga and is considered to be the spiritual capital of India. Varanasi is famous for its ancient temples, ghats, and a unique blend of culture and tradition that attracts millions of tourists from all over the world. In this assignment, we will discuss the experience of a trip to Varanasi, exploring its spiritual, cultural and historical aspects, along with the skills that we learned in our 3 days workshop at IIT BHU. Day 1, the 16th of March 2023, we enjoyed our train journey with loud music, dance, drama, games and a lot more. Upon arrival in Varanasi, we checked into the hostel at IIT BHU and took some rest. Day 2, the 17th of March 2023, workshop on ChatGPT. The objective of this workshop was to introduce the participants to the ChatGPT model and its applications in various fields. The workshop provided us hands-on experience to interact with ChatGPT and how to use it for different purposes. Introduction. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It has the ability to generate human-like responses to natural language input. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced language models available today and has various applications in different fields like customer service, chatbots, personal assistants, content creation, and more. Topics we learned. Introduction to ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT, how it works, and its applications. Use cases. Real-world examples of how ChatGPT is being used in various fields like customer service, chatbots, personal assistants, content creation, and more. Building chatbots with ChatGPT. Participants will learn how to use ChatGPT to build chatbots that can answer customer queries, provide product recommendations, and more. Content creation with ChatGPT. Participants will learn how to use ChatGPT to generate content like articles, product descriptions, and social media posts. Q&A. Participants got an opportunity to ask questions and clarify their doubts regarding ChatGPT. Duration. The workshop was of 6 hours, divided into 2 sessions of 3 hours each. Session 1, Introduction to ChatGPT, Hands-on Experience and Use Cases, 3 hours. Session 2, Building Chatbots with ChatGPT, Content Creation with ChatGPT, and Q&A, 3 hours. Prerequisites. Participants should have basic knowledge of programming languages like Python and should be familiar with web development concepts. Conclusion. The workshop on ChatGPT provided a valuable learning experience to all the participants by introducing them to the advanced language model and its various applications. The workshop helped us to develop skills in building chatbots and generating content using ChatGPT. In the evening, we visited the Vishwanath temple in BHU, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Day 3, the 18th of March 2023, workshop on digital marketing. Digital marketing has become an integral part of any business today. It has become the backbone of the marketing strategies adopted by businesses to reach out to their potential customers. The digital age has opened up a huge opportunities for businesses to promote their products and services, and digital marketing plays a crucial role in this. Objectives. The main objectives of this workshop on digital marketing were to provide an overview of digital marketing and its importance in the current business scenario, to introduce the various components of digital marketing such as SEO, SEM, SMM, email marketing, and content marketing, to teach participants how to create and execute a successful digital marketing strategy, to help participants understand the latest trends and techniques in digital marketing, to provide practical training on digital marketing tools and platforms. Topics we covered. Session 1, Introduction to Digital Marketing. What is digital marketing? Importance of digital marketing in today's business scenario. Understanding the digital marketing landscape. Trends in digital marketing. Session 2, Components of digital marketing. Search engine optimization SEO. Search engine marketing SEM. Social media marketing SMM. Email marketing. Content marketing. After completing 2 sessions of digital marketing workshop, we went for the amazing drone show, robot war and other various advanced technology competitions and ended up enjoying and learning a lot. Day 4, the 19th of March 2023. Session 3, Creating and Executing a Successful Digital Marketing Strategy. Understanding the target audience. Defining goals and objectives. Developing a digital marketing plan. Executing the plan. Session 4, Latest Trends and Techniques in Digital Marketing. Understanding artificial intelligence and machine learning in digital marketing. Voice search optimization. Chatbots and their role in digital marketing. Video marketing. Practical training on digital marketing tools and platforms. Google Analytics. Google Ads. Facebook Ads. MailChimp. Hootsuite. Conclusion. This workshop on digital marketing aimed to provide us with a comprehensive understanding of digital marketing, its components, and how to create and execute a successful digital marketing strategy. It also helped us understand the latest trends and techniques in digital marketing and provided practical training on digital marketing tools and platforms. The workshop was conducted by experts in the field of digital marketing who shared their knowledge and experience with us. It was an excellent opportunity for us to upgrade our skills and knowledge in digital marketing and stay ahead in the game. After attending the last 2 sessions of digital marketing workshop, we visited some of the famous temples in Varanasi like the Durga Temple, Sankat Mochan Hanuman Temple, and the Tulsi Manas Temple. These temples are dedicated to different deities and have their own unique history and significance. Day 5, the 20th of March 2023, we visited the Kashi Vishwanath Temple, which is one of the most sacred temples in Hinduism. The temple is known for its intricate architecture, and we were mesmerized by the intricate carvings and sculptures. After that, we visited Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya Park and then had a typical Banaras kind of breakfast which included puri sabji and jalebi. Later we visited Sarnath, which is an important Buddhist pilgrimage site located just a few kilometers from Varanasi. After visiting the temples, we took a walk through the narrow lanes of the old city and explored the local markets for some shopping. We also explored the Ramnagar Fort, which is a beautiful example of Mughal architecture and houses a museum with a vast collection of artifacts. Then, we indulged in the local cuisine, which includes a variety of chaats, lassi, and sweets. The Ghats of Varanasi are the most famous attraction of the city. We started our exploration with a boat ride on the Ganges, which gave us a panoramic view of the Ghats. The sunset boat ride was a surreal experience. We also visited the Dashashwamedh Ghat, which is the most popular ghat in Varanasi and the site of the daily Ganga Aarti, a spectacular ceremony that takes place every evening. The boat ride took us past the famous Ghats of Varanasi, where people come to take a dip in the holy river and perform various religious rituals. We enjoyed our boat ride having puchka, kulfi, tomato chaat, tikki chaat, etc. At last, we all tried the famous Banarasi Meetha Pan. Day 6, the 21st of March 2023, departure from Varanasi. On the last day of the trip, we checked out from the hostel at IIT. We achieved depart from Varanasi with memories of a spiritual journey and great learning.